What's going on YouTube? See you on the making, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on these Bomaker SiFi 2 True Wireless Earbuds. You can find these on Amazon for only 45 bucks, and I'm here to say that these are definitely worth the price. These things have pretty much everything you need in a pair of true wireless earbuds. They sound great, the fit is secure, the charging case is nice and compact. I mean, I can keep going, but we'll get into everything later on in the video. So inside the box, you're obviously going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also going to get a USB Type-C charging cable, a number of different size silicone ear tips, as well as your typical paperwork and instructions. The earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0. When it came to watching videos on YouTube, Netflix, etc., I didn't experience any latency or audio lag. So if you're an avid video watcher, these should work just fine for you. Without any obstacles like walls to interfere with the signal, I was able to set my phone down and walk away well over 40 to 50 feet before the sound began to cut out. The earbuds support mono and stereo modes, so you can use either earbud independently. There's no separate pairing process needed, so you can swap back and forth between the earbuds seamlessly without any interruptions to your music. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 7 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, and with the charging case, you're going to get about 30 hours of total listening time. These also have fast charging ability, so just 10 minutes of charging will give you an hour of listening time. These have an IPX7 water resistant rating, making them a solid choice for the gym. So the fit on these earbuds is extremely secure. With the right size ear tips, you aren't going to have any issues with these earbuds falling out. So if you need a pair of earbuds to stay in place while you exercise, these are definitely going to be a good option to consider. The secure fit on these does somewhat come at a price. They fit so snug that you may experience a little ear fatigue. For me, I was able to wear them for about an hour before my ears needed a break. Along with that secure fit, you're going to get a really good seal, which is going to give you some pretty impressive passive noise cancellation. If someone does start talking to you while you're wearing these, it's going to be pretty difficult to hear what they're saying. On the other hand, if you are looking to block out as much noise as possible, these are definitely going to do that. These do feature touch-sensitive controls, which give you full control of your listening experience. So one tap gives you your play and pause, a double tap gives you your track controls, a triple tap activates your voice assistant, and a long press controls your volume. So as far as the sound quality, these feature 6mm graphene drivers. The sound is definitely one of the highlights with these earbuds. You're getting an extremely well-balanced sound. The bass sounds great. It's very deep and punchy without being overbearing. The mids and highs sound great as well, giving you a nice upfront detailed sound. The max volume is perfect as well, so these should have plenty of volume for you to play around with. The sound quality on these could definitely compete with earbuds more than twice the price in my opinion. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. Alright, so this is a microphone test to give you guys an idea of how you would sound if you were to use these earbuds to take phone calls. So if you're in a quiet environment, this should give you a pretty good idea of how you would sound. Now let's see how they sound once we turn on some background noise. Alright, so we got some crowd noise being played from a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you're in a noisier environment. As always, you guys be the judge. Let me know how they sound in the comment section below. So overall at $45, these are for sure a solid purchase. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, you're getting everything that you would need in a pair of true wireless earbuds. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out my affiliate link in the description for the most up-to-date price. If you like my videos and want to help support the channel, it does help me out whenever you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something that you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful for you, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.